Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this video, I have another exciting, yet perhaps a bit controversial topic, but I'm sure you will find this interesting. It's definitely an exciting topic to talk about. So let's dive into it without further ado. But first, please subscribe. We're very near to 250 subscribers. Perhaps it's already there, or we already reached that goal when you're watching this. So yeah, please support the channel. We're small, but I hope we can grow and go through this bull market together. Anyways, let's dive into it. In today's exploration of blockchain and banking, we dive into the ongoing conversation about which project is truly shaping the future of banking. Is it Ripple with its XRP powered ecosystem designed to disrupt the traditional financial systems, or is it Chainlink with its decentralized Oracle network that enhances the entire blockchain ecosystem's ability to communicate with real-world data and services? Let's explore their core specializations, their goals, and how they're both redefining the global financial landscape. Ripple's primary focus has always been on transforming the payment layer, particularly by improving cross-border payments for financial institutions. Through its XRP ledger, Ripple provides a faster, cheaper, and more efficient alternative to traditional banking systems. Traditional cross-border payments can often take days to settle, with high fees and a complex web of intermediaries. In contrast, transactions on the XRP ledger settle in just 3 to 5 seconds, representing a dramatic improvement in speed and cost efficiency. This speed is crucial for banks and financial institutions where every second and every dollar saved is crucial in maintaining operational efficiency. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service further enhances its offerings by leveraging XRP as a liquidity tool. This is especially important because traditional banking systems rely on Nostro/Vostro accounts, where banks pre-fund accounts in foreign currencies to facilitate international transactions. These accounts are costly to maintain and very inefficient, tying up capital. Ripple's ODL bypasses this inefficiency by using XRP as an intermediary currency. Banks can convert local currency into XRP, send it across borders, and convert it back to the destination currency, all without needing to maintain expensive pre-funded accounts. This offers a solution to financial institutions looking to improve liquidity management and reduce costs, especially in less liquid markets. Ripple's ultimate goal is very ambitious: to replace or supplement so-called outdated financial systems like SWIFT, aiming to redefine how cross-border payments and liquidity are managed globally. Ripple envisions a world where XRP serves as a universal liquidity tool, making global transactions faster, cheaper, and more transparent. In addition, Ripple is exploring central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, and working closely with regulators worldwide to position XRP as a foundation for these new monetary systems. Chainlink operates in a different yet complementary space. As a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink connects blockchains to real-world data and services. Blockchains, by design, are isolated from external information. This creates a challenge for decentralized applications that need access to accurate real-world data to function properly. Chainlink solves this problem by enabling secure communications between blockchains and external data sources such as APIs, databases, and even traditional financial systems. Chainlink CCIP, or Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, is central to its mission of facilitating seamless communication across various blockchain networks. This protocol enables a secure exchange of data across different blockchains, making it possible for financial applications to operate on multiple networks without the risk of data fragmentation. For example, CCIP allows smart contracts to communicate with financial systems or other blockchains to execute complex transactions, offering a much-needed layer of interoperability in the rapidly evolving blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink's ultimate goal is to create a more interconnected and data-driven financial ecosystem. Through its decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink enables smart contracts to access accurate and trustworthy data, which is crucial for decentralized finance and beyond. Whether it's providing price feeds for cryptocurrencies, verifying transaction details, or enabling cross-chain communication, Chainlink is focused on establishing itself as a crucial infrastructure for data integrity in the blockchain space. Furthermore, Chainlink's work with major players like SWIFT and the Central Bank of Brazil highlights its commitment to integrating blockchain technology with traditional financial systems and supporting the development of CBDCs. While Ripple is focused on revolutionizing cross-border payments, Chainlink is enabling the infrastructure to support secure, real-time communication across networks, especially in the context of smart contracts. However, their paths do intersect, particularly with Chainlink CCIP. This protocol allows cross-border and cross-chain transactions, encroaching on some of the same territory Ripple covers. However, it's important to note that Chainlink's approach is broader. CCIP is not tied to any specific cryptocurrency like XRP, and its focus is on data interoperability and ensuring secure transactions across systems. Ripple's primary focus remains on using XRP as a liquidity tool to enhance payment efficiency. So, are Ripple and Chainlink competitors? In some way, yes. Both Ripple and Chainlink aim to address the same core problem, improving financial efficiency and enabling secure cross-border transactions. However, they do use different approaches. Ripple is focused on creating a streamlined payment infrastructure with XRP as a core component, while Chainlink is again building a decentralized network that enables interoperability and data security across different blockchain platforms. While their offerings might overlap, they have different goals and different philosophies on how to approach the issue of global financial efficiency. In conclusion, Ripple and Chainlink occupy distinct yet complementary niches in the financial ecosystem. Ripple is positioning itself as a replacement or enhancement for the traditional financial systems like SWIFT, focusing on speed, liquidity, and cost reduction through the use of XRP. Meanwhile, Chainlink provides the critical infrastructure for enabling cross-communication across blockchains and traditional financial systems, offering a decentralized solution for data integrity and interoperability. While they may compete in some areas, particularly around these cross-border transactions, they ultimately play different roles in the larger financial landscape, both driving forward the future of finance in their own unique ways. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a highly debated topic. I am, of course, a bit more biased toward Chainlink, but I do believe that both projects have their own very unique and interesting use cases. So yeah, leave a comment with your thoughts. I'd love to read them. I will definitely reply to all of them. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and have a great day. I see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.